Hi everybody, it's Colette here. We thought we'd finally sit down and do a video tutorial of our Tessuti side pocket method. It's an industry method and will ensure that your pocket bag stays towards the front of your garment. Let us know what you think by leaving a comment down below. Hope you enjoy. So we have one pocket bag attached to the front, lining up pocket opening notches at the side seam. Now we're going to sew, taking 1/2 inch seam allowance from one notch to the other notch. So we've sewn backstitch from this notch to there. Now we're going to clip further into the notches, just short of the stitching line, making sure not to cut the stitching line. And then we're going to overlock in between the pocket opening. Now we're going to turn the pocket out, turn out the seam allowance so you can see where the pocket opening starts and ends. And we're going to understitch, not right to the top, but just about 1/2 inch in or 1 centimetre in, and understitch here to there, stopping short about 1 centimetre or 1/2 inch before the pocket opening. Okay, so we've understitched from here to here, making sure to catch the seam allowance at the end. And now we're going to turn out seam allowance of the front and the pocket out, and turn the pocket bag towards the wrong side of the front and press this in place. The pocket bag has been pressed towards the wrong side of the front. Now you can leave it like this, or you can top stitch around this edge to ensure that when the garment's washed, that will stay nice and neat and in place. So there's two methods. We'll do this method where we top stitch the opening. With the pocket now in place towards the wrong side and the pocket opening top stitched, it's time to place the other pocket bag on top with right sides together. Make sure to line up this important notch and pin this in place, and then line up the pocket opening notch with your pocket opening and pin in place. Then pin only the pocket bags together around the pocket curve. The pocket bags are now pinned together. We're going to take the seam allowance instructed in the pattern, so usually 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. We're going to sew around the pocket curve. Pocket bags have been sewn together and the outer edge overlocked. We're going to double check that the seam allowance from the pocket opening out, that would be from your bottom pocket bag, is 1/2 inch past the pocket opening, because that is your seam allowance when you attach the front to the back. Okay, we're going to stay stitch on the top and the bottom of the pocket openings, from the bottom down 1/2 inch and from the top of the pocket opening 1/2 inch, and this will be a good little guide. So here, stay stitch 1/2 inch in from the side seam. We have the pocket in place on the front. Now it's time to attach the back to the front, lining up pocket openings and pin together. Front and back are joined together, but best to pin on the wrong side of the front so that you can stitch on top of the stay stitching when doing the side seam, and make sure that you've got your pocket opening pinned out of the way. After you've joined the side seams together, overlock the edge and press the seam allowance towards the back. And here you have your beautiful neat pocket opening. And the best part about sewing your pockets this way is that it ensures that your pocket bags stay towards the front.